Alright, this says what is the coefficient of friction for the car rolling on the surface, and you're actually given a free body diagram that has a lot of information in it. So I'm going to go ahead and skip the drawing on this step, and I'm just going to identify the various things that we know as a result of this that are going to be useful in solving this question. So the first thing is you realize you were trying to solve for the coefficient of friction. So I'm just going to say U, and I know it's moving, so I'm going to say K. I know it says rolling, but we're going to go ahead and say that it's kinetic at this point. So I know that in order to solve for the coefficient of kinetic friction, I need to know the frictional force, and then you have the normal force. Now, you can see from the free body diagram that this has to be a flat surface because the normal force is equal to the weight. So when we look at this, it's actually pretty easy to figure out what's going on here. You can say, okay, I have the sum of the force, the kinetic frictional force is 40. So I can say the frictional force is 40. I can say that the normal force is 50. And from that, I can solve for the coefficient of kinetic friction. You have 40 equals mu sub k times 50. Divide both sides by 50. And you get 0.8 is your coefficient of kinetic friction.